Welcome everyone. Our topic for this video will be on installing content packs and understanding what kind of data they provide. A content pack in vRealize Log Insight Cloud is a collection of queries, dashboards, and alerts specific to a certain application. Content packs can be out of the box, such as our vSphere content pack, or many of our native public cloud content packs, or custom built by a Log Insight Cloud user. Now let's take a look at some of the examples of content packs. So from our Log Insight homepage, we click on Content Packs. And here we have a list of all the content packs that are available to us. They're grouped out by VMware Cloud, VMware Products, Infrastructure, Applications, and Cloud Services. So we'll take a quick look at the general VMware content pack. Here we have a quick description of the content pack, the dashboards that this content pack provides, along with the widgets, broken down by widget type, which can be charts, events, and then we have the different queries it provides. So these queries usually populate dashboards, or they could just be queries to see some important information. Then we have our alerts. Some content packs provide out-of-the-box alerts, so if you want to be alerted when a threshold is reached, you can be alerted via email or webhook. Some content packs, though not all, provide agent configurations, so if you have a Log Insight agent pulling from a Windows or Linux machine, the agent configuration will specify which log files to pull from and what kind of fields to extract from them. And finally, we have extracted fields. Some content packs come with special extracted fields, which basically means a regex query that will pull out important information and create fields out of that query. Let's take a look at another one of our content packs. So the NSXT event content pack for VMware Cloud SDDC. This content pack actually provides us with some alerts. So we have some alerts about distributed firewalls created and deleted, and it does provide us with some extracted fields. So we have a decent amount of extracted fields here, and you can see the regex it's using, and then you can see what the filters are. This makes the content packs very powerful, as you can extract fields to get important information out of the logs and not just rely on the fields that come static within our logs. To activate a content pack, it's as simple as flicking this green switch. So if we wanted to turn on the AWS Code Build content pack, we just have to flick this switch. And now the content pack is installed. And now that we've activated this content pack, we can go to our dashboard section. And under all dashboards, our content packs will show up, complete with all of our widgets, extracted fields, and agents. We will dive a little deeper into the dashboards that these content packs provide in our dashboards video. So please be sure to check out that video, and thank you so much for watching.